Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're wondering what to do with the Honeynut squash that you just bought, I have some suggested flavor combinations that are known to work well with it. Try combining Honeynut squash with apples and cinnamon, ginger, a little maple syrup, and some walnuts for some crunch. That sounds delicious to me. How about pairing it with cilantro, curry powder, lime, and yogurt? That's also a little different and good. How about comparing Honeynut squash with coconut milk and lemongrass? That's different. Combine Honeynut squash with fruit of your choice like cranberries or dates and nuts of your choice like pecans or even pistachios. Combine Honeynut squash with orange and sage. Or Honeynut squash with some quinoa and walnuts. That sounds like a stuffing mix to me. How about combining Honeynut squash with rosemary, tomatoes, and white beans? Or combining Honeynut squash with sage and walnuts. Sounds like some good combos to me. Hopefully this will give you some ideas on something different to do with the Honeynut squash that you have. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.